Hey guys, today we are introducing Snappyit AI, a powerful all-in-one solution for everything your clothing e-commerce business needs. It brings together the world's top AI models like GPT, Nano Banana, and Seedance into one powerful tool that lets you create e-commerce content without writing any prompts. With Snappyit AI, you can turn simple product photos into professional, store-ready visuals, including ghost mannequin images, model try-ons, color variations, and even product videos. You just need to click a photo, and it will create all your business content in a minute to boost sales. So let's begin. First, open Snappyit AI using the given link in the description. Go to Products and choose Color Change. Click on Upload Image. Add your dress. Click on Color to choose your color. Now, click on Generate to get your image. In this way, you can easily change the color of any cloth image. Next, click on Try On. Then click Try On Model. Here, you can choose your desired model. We'll take this one. Click on Generate to get the model image wearing your dress. Next, click on Image to Video. Then click on Choose Template. Now you can choose a video model. Click on Generate. In this way, you can create model images and videos easily. Open Snappyit AI. Go to Product and choose Ghost Mannequin. Click on Upload and add your image. You can create different angle images easily. We'll try all one by one. Choose the first one. We'll generate with the basic model. In this way, you can easily create a clear and beautiful mannequin image from your crumpled dress image. Click on Download to get your image. Now, we'll try the other angles also. This is the side angle. This is the back. After this, go to Product and choose Try On. Upload any one of them. You can choose all types of models here. Moreover, you can filter with categories like gender, age, body type, and also style. We'll choose this one. Click on Generate to get your model image. Click on Download. Now we'll explore Snappyit's new feature called Video Try On, where we need only our apparel image to get a video of a model. Click on Upload Image. Add your dress. Go to Templates. You can choose vertical and horizontal view videos. Let's try any one of them. Next, click on Video Original Face, where you can choose different faces of the model. Also, filter with different categories. We'll take this one. Click on Generate to get your video. Here's the video. You can download it easily. Now, click on Full Editor, where you can watch and edit sections. We got 3 sections for this video. You can delete, download, and edit it if you want. Click on Regeneration to get this part again. This is our updated part. Click on Export to get your new video. In this section, we'll crop out all our jewelries from this single image. After retouching it, we'll produce try-on images with model. For this, open this cropper using the given link in the description. Click on File and add your image. Choose this pen tool. Now, click and draw the section to crop from the image. Now, click on this icon to get the part. Hover over it and press right-click on the mouse. Choose Save Image As, then save to download your cropped part. In the same way, crop the other 2 jewelry items also. Next, open Snappyit using the given link. Go to Products and choose Jewelry Retouching. Click on Upload to add your jewelry image. First, we'll try with the basic model. The image is refined and clear, but it's not identical, so let's try the Pro model. Which gives more precise output. Now, it became exactly like our jewelry. Click on Download. Let's create the other 2. Now, our necklace is not created fully. So, to get the full one, first click on Retry. Here, you can add your prompt to get an updated one. We'll write, make the necklace chain full and complete, matching the same gold style and lighting. Then, click on Regenerate. Now, the new one has a long chain that is exactly what we want. Download the file. Next, go to Product. Let's try Jewelry Try On. First, upload your new image. Then choose a template from here. Click on Generate. Download the image. Do the same for the other two. Now we'll try the model swap features. First, upload your model image. Then, brush over the face for the swap. Click on Confirm Mask. Click on Face Model. Here you can filter categories. We'll take this one. Click on Generate to swap the face of the model in your image. Click on Download to get your image. In this way, you can easily swap the faces of models in your product image. To explore more and dive into e-commerce creativity, visit the link given in the description. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.